So what we have here is a KitchenBoss Sous Vide cooker. Just came in the mail today. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna cook a couple ribeyes and see how it goes. Let's do an open box. There we go. Okay. Alright, so this is how it is. Nice and tight. Okay, so let's get this box off. Okay. So here's the induction manual, thank you card. Oh, thank you card. And some more there. Starter guide. Okay. So here it is. Comes nice package. This thing is big. Bigger than I thought it would be. Oh. Okay. So there was different colors. This was the cheapest one. I don't care what it looks like. It's just gonna be cooking. So let's cut this one. I think there was a black one that looked nicer. They were all the same, just different colors. And then this right here is a hanger, I believe. Yep. Okay. So it's unboxed. I'm gonna get it together and we'll see how it works. So this is just the liner to an Instant Pot. You could put it in anything, in a big pot, anything that can hold water and that isn't gonna melt. You don't need to buy those fancy sous vide containers. Well, they are nice because they have a cover and helps retain heat and whatnot, and stops evaporation. You really don't need it. You can even use a small ice chest. So I'm gonna get this full of water. Gonna get the steaks out, season them, get them vacuum sealed, and we'll continue. It just twists right off for easy cleaning. Easy. If you need to clean it up, just twist right off. It's really easy. These are the two steaks that I'm going to be using. Bought them about, I don't know, a week or two ago. This one's a little thinner than this one. That shouldn't be too much of a problem. We'll get to it. Got them nice and seasoned up with just some garlic powder, fresh cracked black pepper, and some kosher salt. Gonna vacuum seal them, throw them in there, and we'll get going. Okay, we got them cooking. They're in there. We have it set at 132.3. Got about an hour left. See how it goes. Okay, so I took them out. It's been about an hour and a half or so. Gonna sear them right now and see how they are. I know they don't look good right now, but watch this. Okay, so right now I have my skillet. I have a tallow in there. Just gonna that oil nice and coated. Okay. All right, here's my steak. Looks good, nice and seared. Gonna slice it open and see how it looks. I got a few pieces cut. Just wanted to show. That is perfect. Okay. Now I'm gonna try a piece. Okay. Here we go. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my gosh. I like the way I cook steaks usually in the oven and then sear it on the I can't even think right now. Sear it on the cast iron. This is so good. It was so easy. It's so tender. I mean, ribeye is usually pretty good. This isn't even an expensive ribeye. This is a pretty cheap one. I got it from Stater Brothers. I only get them when they're cheap. Just because they're so expensive. Usually I'll cook briskets or tri-tips. Tri-tips are really good. Tri-tips, they're not as expensive as ribeye. But in my opinion, I think they have more flavor than ribeye. No, ribeye just has more tenderness and is more flavor and has a lot of flavor too. Damn, this is good.